Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing step 3 of creating our app is designing our app. But we can't design in the artist lab. We can only do designing in the app lab. So we are going to skip the designing part and start on the coding part, which is the final step. So today we are going to be coding, and to help us out, I already kind of got started on it. I'll show you guys now. So here's our coding. I am going to remove all of the blocks so I can show you how to create the app. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to introduce y'all to variables. A variable is a placeholder which has a value inside it that can change. So we are going to introduce a variable. So our variable is going to be called setLength2. So you'll find this specific block in the variables, and if you just scroll down here, you find setLength2. So you want to drag that block onto your workspace. And you want to put that first because you want to introduce the variable and the value of it before you use it in your code. And you'll probably understand that more when I start doing more apps with y'all. Okay, now the second thing we're going to add is a number. So this is the value that's going to change. I'm adding 40, and the number you'll find it in the map. It's right here. Next, we're going to add a repeat loop. So a repeat loop, what it does is it repeats whatever you tell it to repeat a certain amount of times. So you will find this loop in the loops, and it's the second one. And in the text box, just write 48 times. We want to repeat what we're doing 48 times. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to choose, we're going to add some color. So if you remember from the story last time, Sam wanted a nice colorful rug for his store. So we're going to say set color to random color. Now also at the end, I have a few changes that I can show you guys to make this look interesting, and then also what would happen if we place it in a different way. Next, we are going to use move forward block. Oh, sorry, and you will find the set color random color block in the brushes. It's the second one, or you can just choose this one. You can choose your color. This one is you can just choose your color. Okay, so then you're gonna get this block called move forward block. And when I go to actions here, the move forward is the first one. So how I made a change to this block. Since we introduced the variable called length, and we set the length to 40, we do not have to keep this block where you have to write numbers in it. No, you don't need to do that. We have already done, we already have a variable that will do that for you. So we will go back where you get this piece it's a total different piece. It's not the same piece that comes with it. This piece you'll find in variables is the third one, and it says length. Then we're going to use a turn right. The turn right is in the actions bar, and it's the second one. And here you don't need to change it to length. Here I wrote 91, and at the end you guys will see why. Okay, here is the main part. To make our code look what we want it to look like. Before I add this part, look at the code. Look at the drawing, guys. It's all small, but when I add this, it spaces it up and makes it look bigger. So what I did here was we got this set length block again from the variables bar, and then we got this block, this adding block. You'll find it in the map. You can just grab that. And what change do we want to make here is you want to take out the first number, go to variables, grab the length variable, put it here, and then do +4. So if I do plus any other number, look what happens. We won't get, well, it'll be really small, but you can make it really small if you want to, but I want to make it big. So if I do 5, say I do 7, it's like spacing it out and it's really big. So we're gonna stick with 4 for now. Then that's actually the end of the code. You're done. But there's a few things you can do. If you guys see, every line is a different color. But if I want to, I can make every line the same color using the set random color block. Just take out the rest of the blocks. It also, if you want to take out anything from underneath it, underneath like whatever, if you grab the second block, for instance, everything underneath it will move. So if you grab the third block, then everything underneath it will move. Look at that. So I'm gonna move this in here. Put the set color, random color on the top, and then add your code back in. Now see, you guys, it's all green. So you can do that if you want. If you want to do just one color, go ahead for that. You can customize this totally. Also, there's some other things you can do. So the blocks right here, they're all found in the brushes bar, and that's what I'm gonna show y'all right now. So now I am gonna pull this code out, remove the set color random color, and add a set pattern. This pattern thing is more interesting to me other than the color, because look, you can add different patterns and designs to the rug. So I did, if I can find it, I did this one right here. So it looks like a really rug. You guys can keep the pattern. There's also a draw sticker. You can draw like different animals. I can draw this. I drew a bat. You can draw a ghost. You can draw a zombie. Things like that. So and then there's also this. I showed y'all the set color. It's just simple, boring one color, which I don't like to use at all. I like to go with the patterns or draw stickers or do set color, random color. So right now I'm just gonna keep set color, random color. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and also this is the end of the first Make Your Own App with Me series. I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.